So in this video, I'm going to talk about LinkedIn Market Authority PLR product. So this is a premium PLR product being released by Kevin Fahey. So I'm going to show you what is in this bundle and why this PLR is not a bad PLR. And I actually bought some of the PLR content from Kevin Fahey before, and it's very good content, right? So I'm going to show you what you're going to get in this bundle and how to make money using this PLR content that is available. Please watch the full video to get full features of this bundle and all the exciting bonuses available as part of this product. So this is the LinkedIn Marketing Authority review. So this product is getting released on Warrior Plus. Vendor is Kevin Fahey. It's getting released on October 14th, 9 a.m. And so I'm going to go through the product overview and what is there in this bundle. So what is there in the sales pages, what are the upgrades, what is good, what is not good, and final summary of this product. So if you please subscribe to my channel if you want to get latest videos that I post in this channel. So let us see what is in the sales page. Right, this is the sales page. So basically this is a brand new premium PLR product, and it comes with a full-blown sales funnel that you can start brand as your own and start making profit. Right, this is the fastest way to build an authority in a particular niche, and this is more about LinkedIn marketing bundle. So you can use this as your own and start selling. So this is basically professionally driven content, attention grabbing, eye-catching graphics. There is a sales letter included, there is a sales funnel included, and promotional material, right? So all the things are done for you. So you just need to rebrand and you can start selling. Let us see what is in the bundle. Right, you're going to get a high quality ebook which has like 33 pages, 10,000 words written. Editable doc file is also included, and PDF format is properly formatted and styled. So you're going to get a checklist, right? So you're going to get a checklist, you're going to get a cheat sheet, right? You're going to get mind map, a resource report, right? You get like sales letters and thank you pages, so you don't need to build your sales letters as well. It's already done. Opt-in page and lead magnets. If you want to do list building, there is an opt-in page and lead magnet is also available. So that's also done for you. And professional graphics, high quality articles available. This you can use in your emails, blog posts, or social media content, right? So each article is like 500 words length. Then there's the promotional emails. If you want to start promoting your product, there's emails that are pre-written, so you can use them or modify them and use it to promote your product. And this is a license version is available, right? So this is what you are going to get in this product. So I'm going to show you the actual product I bought before, so that you get some idea what I'm going to get inside this package, right? So this is a package. So I bought like video marketing domination from Kevin Fahey before. So I got all these packages: ebook, checklist, cheat sheet, mind map, resources, sales letter, thank you pages, opt-in page, right, professional graphics, and articles, promotional emails, right? You see, you get like all these modules. So each one is a video, like the ebook is coming as document, PDF, and text. right? So you can reformat it as you want. So let me show you what is there in the PDF. So this is how you get. So this is the ebook. So video marketing domination, right? So you can rebrand it. Like there is a document file available, you can update. Then you can get like content, various chapters, and also give you like well-written content for each chapter, right? So you get like this. So content is very good. So related content and well written, right? So this is the ebook you get. Then there is a checklist. This is kind of a checklist, right? So this is a checklist, right? So you can promoting your content. Then there is a cheat sheet, right? So this is a cheat sheet and mind map, right? So this is the mind map is image file. So this is the mind map you get, right? And there's a different resources that you can use for this. Then you have like sales pages and thank you pages, opt-in pages, right? This is the HTML version of the pages, but so you also get lead pages with the Thrive Architect, or so if you pay like go for the upgrade, so you get like lead pages created in Thrive Architect or some other leading page builders, right? So that is the opt-in pages, and this is the graphics you get, right? So you get like different graphics of professionally done graphics. And then articles, it's like 10 articles, 10 to 11 articles, and the promotional emails you get as part of this package. So it saves you a lot of time. So if you imagine how much time it will take to create all this content by yourself, right? So it needs a lot of time and money and effort. So you can save a lot of time, and then you can start building your list, or start building a course out of it, and start making money, right? So that way this product is very useful if you want to get started easily on the online world. So let me look at the full features of this product, right? Here are the upgrades available. Like the front end is costing at $16.95. So there is a Vertigo one, so where you get like different page builder templates. As I told you, they will give you these pages built on popular page builders. Get at $37. Then Vertigo 2, there is 5 more premium PLR reports available. That you can get as a whole package as total as $117, or basic package at $72. Then there is something called checklist volume that Kevin promotes, so that's available. Full volume is available at $197, or there is a monthly membership available at $17.95, right? So if you are into this PLR, I suggest you buy the front end first, try it out. So once you start making money, so you can start buying these upgrades and checklists to start using the content for your purpose, right? So what is good, this is a quality checklist, and this bundle is very good with the all-in-one package. There's a lot of training available on how to rebrand and resell these products. So there's a lot in the bonuses. There's a lot of training available, so you can use that. And it comes with different formats: PDF, text file, document files, and all, so which you can use it for reformatting. So this is PLR content, but compared to PLR content that is available in the market, this is well written and high quality content. So we just need to reformat and do some customization before start selling on the market, right? So let me show you how do you make money with this kind of PLR, right? So you can basically use the ebook, rebrand it as a lead magnet and build your email list. This is one thing. Or rebranding as your own product and start selling on marketplace for a price. Or you can create blog post out of this content and build traffic to your blog, right? Or create videos and post in YouTube channel and increase your viewership or subscriber count. Create an online course and train your students using this content, and you can start making money. So these are some of the uses of this PLR content, right? So basically this is a summary. It's a good quality content. Good training videos are available on how to use and remarket this content. So I'm giving a rating of 8 out of 10 for this content. So I actually use this PLR content for myself, and it will be, I assume this is highly useful for anybody who wants to build some authority for their blog, website or YouTube channel, or build their email list quickly. So this kind of content is highly useful. Subscribe to Ravi Bandaru to view the latest videos I post on the channel, and share these videos to your friends to pass on the benefits to your friends. And click on the bell icon to get notifications on latest videos I upload in the channel. And if you have any questions or comments related to this video or any other related questions, put it in the comment section. I will reply within 24 hours.